the lonely firefly. Deep in a shimmering forest lived a tiny firefly named Flick. All the other fireflies flashed their lights really bright, like a twinkling party. But this firefly wasn't the same. Flick's little light barely blinked. It wasn't bright enough to shine with the other fireflies. Flick felt sad, so he crawled under a big, leafy umbrella to hide. The old, wise owl hooted softly. "Even though your light isn't big, it's special in its own way, little one. Don't be shy, Flick. Keep shining your own light, even if it's small. You might help lost bugs find their way home." Flick blinked his light again. He wasn't alone anymore. Now, his little light wasn't just a twinkle. It was a bright spot that helped others see in the dark night. Moral of the story: be yourself, even if you're different. Your light can still shine bright.